Oh God, what do we do? What's wrong? Well, did you heard about the coronavirus? No, maybe? Yeah, it's... No, let me just sit down. It might sound interesting. Alright, so the coronavirus is this new virus that just broke out, and it's gonna kill us. Yeah. Where it came from? It came from China. Those damn Asians eating dog, cat, meow, wolf, all of that. Oh, okay. Maybe that's how they got it. I don't know. So it came from China, right? Yeah. Wait a minute. Let me check my t-shirt. What's wrong? It's made from China. Oh shoot. Jeffy? I think he died. Jeffy? Jeffy? Oh well. Yeah, I guess I have to go rest this corpse somewhere. Oh, this coronavirus.